Hello and welcome to this showcase of the premium star, Rose Accents Gold Pineapple Door Knocker. This 4-inch wide decorative piece has a shiny finish that adds sophistication to any home entryway. The pineapple is a timeless symbol of hospitality that offers a warm welcome to every visiting guest. This 8-inch knocker weighs 11 ounces and wears on your door like beautiful gold jewelry. The solid body strikes against the back base plate to create a clear and graceful calling sound. You can easily install this accent using the 2 pre-drilled holes and the included matching hardware screws. Pair this unique gold knocker with your favorite door color to showcase your own personal style today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.